students, once again I welcome you all to the online mathematics by Vinay sir. In previous class we all have seen what is board mass and how we can simplify a given question. Today we are going to continue the same topic. Here we will try to understand some more example how we can simplify them. But before we start, if you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon so you get the notification when I upload the videos. Let's start today's topic. Let's try to understand some more example how we can simplify them. So first example I have taken here, that is example number 1, and that is 672 is divided by 24 is multiplied by 18 plus 153 and minus 345. Already in previous class we all have seen how we can apply the rule of board mass. According to rule of board mass, first of all we have to solve the brackets, then after we apply division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the common sequence that we apply while we are going to solve, while we are going to simplify a question. So here in this case we don't have any bracket here, okay? We have division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we will solve these all operation in this given sequence. First we will try to solve division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's see how we can solve them. First of all we have to divide 672 by 24. 672 divided by 24 multiplied by 18 plus 153 minus 345. So first of all we have to simplify this. So if I write here 672 upon 24, it is divisible by 6. 6 4 are 24, 6 1 are 6, 6 1 are 6 and 6 2 are 12. 112 upon 4. 4 2 are 8 and 4 8 are 32. So we can divide 672 by 24 and we get the result 28. This 28 will be multiplied by 18 plus 153 minus 345. So now these two numbers will be multiplied. 18 8 are 144. So we get 4 here. 18 2 are 36. 36 and 14 will be 50. So 504 plus 153 minus 345. These two numbers will be added. 4 and 3 7, 5 and 6 minus 345. Now we have to subtract 345 from 657. So when we subtract 5 from 7 we get 2. When we subtract 4 from 5 we get 1, and when we subtract 3 from 6 we get 3. So finally we got our answer, and that is 312. Okay, let's see the next question. In the next question we can see here we have given fraction. So 1 upon 2 into bracket 3 multiplied by 2 upon 4 into small bracket 3 plus 1 upon 6 bracket close, big bracket close, divided by 6. So when we apply the rule of board mass, first of all we have to solve this small bracket, then after we have to solve this large bracket, then after division and then multiplication. So now let's see how we can write it. 1 upon 2 into bracket 3 into 2 upon 4. When we solve this bracket we have to add these two numbers, okay? So 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon 6 divided by 6, okay? Now 1 upon 2 bracket 3 into 2 upon 4. When we add these two numbers we get 6 3s are 18 plus 1 upon 6, okay, divided by 6. 1 upon 2 3 into 2 upon 4 bracket 18 1 19 upon 6 and divided by 6. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, so 1 upon 2, 3 into 2 upon 4 multiplied 19 upon 6 and divided by 6. Now here we can see 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now 1 upon 2 is multiplied by 19 upon 4 divided by 6. Okay, then after 1 upon 2 multiplied 19 upon 4 multiplied 1 upon 6. Okay, so now here 19, 4 2s are 6 and 6 6 are 36. So 19 upon 36 will be our answer. We can, okay, students, so this is the way how we can simplify a question when we have fractions in the question. Okay, quickly we will take one more example. Let's see. So students, next question that we are going to take here, that is question number 3. 1 upon 3 into bracket 5 small bracket 1 upon 2 of 30 minus 4 small bracket close large bracket close. Let's see how we can solve this question. First of all, we have to solve this small bracket, and to solve this small bracket we have to solve this off first. Okay, now 1 upon 3 bracket 5 small bracket 1 upon 2 of will be converted into multiplication 30 minus 4 small bracket over and large bracket over. Next step, 1 upon 3 bracket 5, and when we multiply these two numbers we get 15 minus 4 small bracket over large bracket over. 1 upon 3 5 into 15 minus 4 we get 11. 1 upon 3 11 5s are 55, and we have to apply multiplication between these two numbers. Okay, so when we multiply these two numbers we get 55 upon 3, and when we simplify these two numbers we get 18 1 upon 3. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you all. Practice for the same thing. When we meet again, we'll take some more interesting topic. We'll take some more interesting concept related to basics of mathematics. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep watching the online mathematics. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.